With Hint's global charge modal, you can quickly invoice employers and patients for one-off charges based on predetermined coverage plans. If you haven't already, please review Hint's tutorial on how to set up coverage rules. The rules automatically determine how a charge item is priced and whether it's paid for by the patient or sponsor. Once your rules are in place, you can use the global charge modal from the patient screen to quickly invoice for one-off charges. Let's walk through an example together. A patient comes in for an annual appointment which included blood work. To charge them for this blood work, I'm going to click plus new charge, input the charge name, and assign it to the patient. Based on coverage rules configured on this patient's membership, Hint automatically determines that the patient's sponsor will pay for this lab and they'll be charged $5. Click Create Charge to seamlessly add this charge to the sponsor's draft invoice. Let's say this patient is also purchasing a supplement. Again, I'm going to click plus new charge item, input the charge name, and search for the patient name. Based on the pre-configured coverage rules, the supplement is automatically discounted 20% and added to the invoice paid for by the patient. I can use the global charge modal to add multiple charges to a single draft invoice. To review the invoice and process payment, click the pop-up in the upper right corner or navigate to the patient's chart. Hover over the question mark to review the pricing rule applied to this charge. You can see they received 20% off, paid for by the patient. To override this rate, go ahead and click onto the rate and choose Remove Membership Rule. To proceed with the pricing as is, issue the invoice, and now you can click to process payment or post your payment. As always, please reach out to Hint's customer support team with questions.